This is MPO Connector Protector. You can see this is appearance. Now I will open it. Just press this 2 point and okay, it opened. Now I will show you how to use it. First, you can see this is an angle and angle caps. Just put it here, and then here you can see this part, and here just press it. You can hear a click sound. Now it is okay now. You can see with this protector you can pull the MPO leads freely, so it can help to protect the MPO connectors very well. With this help, you can pull the MPO connector or patch cord through the wall or through the duct. Okay, now I will show you how to open it. So this one is can be reused. Now I will show you how to open it. Just press here and okay, you can see, and okay. Now have a final reminder. This is MTP connector. This is MPO connector. It looks almost the same, but the MTP, this cap size is a little different and bigger than this MPO. So this is not suitable. No, because it's too big. It can't match well. Finally, now this protection is suitable of cable with these 3 diameters. You can see it can fit very well. But for this one, it's too big. So this one is okay. This one, no.